So, here we're going to be doing a video on the Seth Thomas Cottage clock. The reason why I'm actually taking the face off in the first place is because I want to check how let down the springs are right now. Because it's been running for about 2 or 3 days and I want to get an idea just from the looks of how much longer it'll run. Because I haven't calculated exactly. I've been told that this is possibly a 30-hour movement because it doesn't run for a full 8 days. But at the same time, it runs longer than 30 hours. So I want to see where the springs are looking like they're at right now. So I'll be back when I get the face off and we can have a look at it all together. And here it is. One with its face. Here's the back of it. And here we are. The spring is right here for the time train. Which I'm just going to open this door a little bit more to get a better view. Everything going on here. Here's the escapement. It's an anchor escapement or a recoil escapement. Because if you slow down the video to like 0.25 seconds, I'll stop talking momentarily. You'll see it recoil or jump back just slightly counterclockwise. So, either counterclockwise or clockwise. I don't remember which one it is. There you can see Seth Thomas, Thomaston, Connecticut. I was told that this could be aged around 1870. So that's pretty neat. I can't really see how unwound this spring is. But I can see this one. And here's the little chime reset, so you can reset the striking. Or well, it was working. There you go. So that was 1, 2. So that was pretty much all I needed to do. So I guess that's a little mini in-depth video. Let's get a look at this fly going. Probably could use a cleaning and some new oil. This escapement could definitely, the escapement gear, sorry, could definitely be polished up, as well as this verge, if that's what I'm remembering it's called, this part, which, the pallets. The pallets could use some cleaning too. Look at how grimy those are. I don't have the tools to do that right now though. But the pivots look good. I think those are called pivots, but you know, the little holes where you put the oil and stuff. They look like they're working fine. None of them have play in them. So that's cool. Now to put it back together. Oh yeah, here's the pendulum out of the case, by the way. It's got a few of my fingerprints on it. Yeah. No one's gonna see it anyway. Isn't that a view? Could be good to just take one of the faces off of these to have just the mechanics there to demonstrate how they work. Now it's all back together and in one piece. Last thing we need to do is set the pendulum back in and fix our hour hand. Sorry, it's nighttime and I care about my parents who are trying to sleep a few rooms up. I am in the basement, So most of my clocks can't be heard, but my sister can hear this one through her floor. So I try to have some courtesy. The time right now, according to this one, is 9:39. So we're gonna set it to around there, about there. And we're going again. Here's a better look at the flowers. There's some fingerprints and stuff. My bad. And I set some Polaroid photos up here, just so it doesn't look too bland. And I also have this up here, because I have nowhere else to put it. So now we're all set. Thanks for watching.